So what I'm about to do very well may be the hardest shot of my entire career. I'm gonna do this. Well, actually, I'm gonna do this. To this camera. What is it? It's a Keystone K12. So many years ago, my dad had bought me this camera for like $20 and we didn't even know if it worked. It was like at a pawn shop or something. I've had it for 6 years. Holy crap, I think. And this is my first time using it. And I don't know if it's working now, but I'm recording a bunch of stuff on it on this trip. Hopefully it turns out good. Also, thanks, Dad. I only have 2.5 minutes per side of film roll. So I'm on the first side, and once I flip it, I have 2.5 more minutes, but I have to change it in low light conditions. Anyway, it's complicated. I don't know why I'm doing it. Might be cool. Okay, ready? How weird was that? Was that weird? Winding camera. And I think that's wound up enough. Okay, ready, and action. Okay, then it ran a little bit through. We'll run a little bit more. You could see that, I couldn't. I'm going to